Next, we're going to be talking about the skill of contextualization. This means that we want to talk about what else was going on at this time to help us better understand the historical event we are learning about. So historians can connect the time and place in which the document was created with events in history. Here are some things that might help historians as they're trying to contextualize a document. We could use a timeline or map, apply background knowledge that we might have learned before. This could be a secondary source like a textbook. We can investigate how perspectives change over time. And just like good historians do all the time, we can write some notes in the margin as we are reading our document. Let's go back to Red Cloud's speech. Once again, this was written in 1870. So we want to think about what else was going on around the year 1870. This is when a timeline could really help us out. Let's think about some of the events that happened just before 1870. In the year 1862, the Homestead Act was passed. In 1867, Nebraska became a state. And in 1868, Red Cloud agreed to move to a reservation. So we can see how all of those events that happened before could have had an impact on his speech. We also want to note that in 1874, after this speech was given, gold was found in the Black Hills. We can contextualize even more, not just with the year at the top of the page, but if we go down farther into the document, we can read this line. I want the Great Father to make no roads through them. I have told these things 3 times. So if we think about what Red Cloud said there, we can see that he wants no roads through the Black Hills. Now he never said Black Hills here, but we can infer that he means that when he says, I want the Great Father to make no roads through them. And remember, we talked about above that gold was found in the Black Hills in 1874.